Hi and welcome to this video. I'm Leena Soneja, International NLP Trainer and Certified Handwriting Analyst. Keeping in mind today's time, I thought let me speak little about why depression or mental health issues are increasing or are at high rise. Why high risk diseases are entering our body. Is it something related to external or is it something related to internal that we are creating and inviting this high risk diseases to enter our body? For this, let me ask you, when was the last time when you cleaned your house, when you cleaned your clothes, when you cleaned yourself by taking bath? Such a silly question, right? Because that is what we are doing every day. Now let me ask you, when did you clean your mind? When was the last time you cleared off everything from your mind, the all stains that are there, and you were able to remove those stains? You don't remember, right? This is the issue. We do not clean our mind. We do not remove the stains from the mind. How many times in a day we keep saying, I can't forget, I can't forgive? What happens when you say, I can't forgive, I can't forget? It is here. It is getting registered here, and from here it is radiating in the entire body, and you are carrying those negative thoughts in your body the entire day. Imagine the vibrations of those negative thoughts around yourself and around others. Is it affecting you and others? Obviously, yes, it is. The vibrations that we carry create the aura for ourselves and others. Now think, which vibrations would you prefer to keep it with yourself so that you are at peace, you are happy, and you are fulfilled with whatever you are doing? Most of the problems arise due to expectations. We are not able to forgive, we are not able to forget because the other person has not fulfilled our expectations. The entire problem starts with the expectations. What happens when the person is not able to fulfill your expectations? You start feeling disturbed, right? And this disturbance creates a negative aura and a negative environment around you, yourself, and others. And it reflects in our lives. Let us do a small exercise. If you choose to close your eyes and imagine a person whom you love the most. When you see this person in your mind, think about those two expectations that are yet not fulfilled by this person. Only two expectations, not more than that. We have list of the expectations from the person. However, we have to focus only on the two expectations. And the moment you are able to see that person and you are able to find out those two expectations that the person has yet not fulfilled, open your eyes and ask yourself, how does this affect me? As that person is outside and is not able to fulfill your expectations. How is it affecting me? I'm sure 99% the answer that we get is because of the ego problem, the person is not able to fulfill my expectations. Otherwise, my expectations are very simple. What am I asking for? However, we need to keep in mind, whatever is simple for me is not simple for others. Whatever expectations I have kept from that person may not be possible for him. Does it mean he has an ego? No. Basically, when the person is not able to fulfill the expectations, we need to focus on his model of the world. That's what NLP teaches. There are two things to focus here. First, mind and body are connected with each other. Whatever we think, it radiates outside and affects our body and others. Second, every person has his own model of the world. we have our own model of the world, which is full of our realities, our values, our beliefs, our attitudes, our thought process. What we think right, we act accordingly. And the same applies for that person from whom we are expecting. He has his own model of the world with his own beliefs, with his own values, with his own attitudes, with his own thought processes, with his own rights and wrongs. Maybe your expectations are not fitting in his model of the world. So why are we connecting it by saying that it is an ego problem? It is not an ego problem. Just we need to understand and show respect to each other's model of the world. The day we are able to do that, we will be also able to clean our minds from the expectations, because most of the time these expectations are creating issues. They create issue here, and then we create issues with our bodies, inside our bodies and outside our bodies, internal environment and external environment. How clear is this, right? So let us clean our mind by reducing the expectations, by understanding that whatever thought we create here, mind and body are connected. It will affect our body, it will affect our internal environment, it will affect outside as well. And let us respect each other's model of the world. See you in the next video. Thank you.